As some of you know already, I walk these trails and through this forest, along this creek, and following animal tracks, learning about plants and nature and the creator and myself. And I've seen lots of changes here, and people like to use this spot as sort of a lookout over this area. It's quite nice, except for the fact that on a constant basis I deal with stuff like this, and I revere Mother Nature so much that I can't bear to see a Lay's potato chip bag or a Bear Paw wrapper or a Dasani water bottle or Coke cans and all the other stuff just thrown around. Damage to the trees. What did this kid think he was going to do? Was he going to cut down this tree? It's freaking 60 years old, if not more. And look at his grasp on life with his firm hands reaching deep. Why didn't they respect and revere this beautiful creature? And those, look at, he's hanging on. You know what? It won't take much. A little more erosion or a really bad wind or heavy rainfall on that poor guy. His day is numbered, but there will be regrowth. That's what these forests do. It's hard to understand that sometimes, but it's the continual process of birth and growth and death. I really like to see the birches. They're one of my favorites. This one right here. Actually, you know, he might live to a ripe old age if people respect him and don't strip his bark off. Buddy thinks he's a rabbit. Take care of this planet. It's all we got.